There are so many myths out there about renovating for profit. Myth number one, it's exhausting. Truth is, it's only exhausting if you let it exhaust you, if you don't apply the right strategies, if you're not renovating the right type of property in the right area. Number two, you can't get money to renovate properties. The truth is there's money everywhere. There's the banks and there's a whole bunch of external lenders. There's also people in communities like mine who'll lend money, or you'll go in joint ventures is probably more accurate description. Joint ventures will work alongside you. There's a will, there's a way. One of the other myths is that renovation is finished because product prices and the cost of build has gone up. That is true, but these fully renovated properties are selling so well in the marketplace right now. It doesn't matter if the build cost has gone up a little bit because the property prices have gone up a lot, and there's always such demand for fully renovated properties. They sell really well, particularly if people are comparing things that are not finished compared to our beautiful glossy finished renovated property. People will always spend more for something that's move-in ready. So I think they're the main myths, is that the time is finished, and that's not true. That you can't get money, not true. I get really disappointed when I hear people talking renovation down like it's finished, when I think it's just got legs for a lot of years. It's worked for the 30 years that I've been doing it. It's always going to work.